Today we are going to create a low-level compressor like MV2. This compressor has up and down sections. We're going to focus on the down section and move ratio negatively. This will create an expander. Now if we move threshold to the area where the low-level nodes need to be raised, it's going to start increasing the nodes as soon as they reach the down threshold. Now we bring back depth so we can create a low-level compressor that isn't going to bring up the noise. So to be completely faithful to MV2, we have to create a regular compressor on top of it and move the threshold and add a clipper or a limiter. And finally adjust output to Unity. And there you go, that's MV2 with a different plugin.